Hello YouTube, my name is Sebastian and welcome to the second devlog of my game, Free Falling Farming Simulator. Bleh. Long name, hard to pronounce. But yeah, this right here is the game that you can see on screen. I've made a bit bigger window than last time. So yeah, we have a fancy new press any key to continue screen. And then we press and we have, oh, cool button. This is the only button. This is supposed to be a menu. So right now we have this button that says jump. So we can press it, or we can hover over it and change this to yeah, jump. Pretty cool. And we can jump. So right now this is all I've done so far since last time. I've gotten some UI in here. So we have the whatever gun we're using, and then we have the ammo here. We have some HP. So right now you can see I'm using this shuriken gun. So there's a picture of it here. Thumbnail, then we have the ammo over here, and this bar here that will slide up every time I shoot. This one represents how much ammo there's left, and when it's all the way over here it'll say reload, and then when we hit reload it'll go down very nicely and it'll say reloading. So that's pretty cool, but that's not the coolest. I also have this gun here which is pretty nice, which also works exactly the same. We can switch to a plants, so you can see right now we have some UI for that as well. We have the hands. Those are hands, so you can see how many pots you have. You can see you have 90, right? Yeah, 90, and 45 tomato seeds and 45 potato seeds. So yeah, so it's pretty nice. You just like click and drag around, and you get some very nice pots everywhere. You can fill them up with the plant seed or the tomato seeds or whatever kind of seeds you want. As long as you're inside of this range thing here. I might turn that to something else later. But yeah, time to show you. So if we just water these, because I've added, as you might have seen if you've seen the video where I add the drops in, I have now finally finished the drops. So now you can actually farm these guys. The timing of course isn't still right. They're supposed to grow a bit slower than this, but in the real game once it's done. But for testing purposes this is pretty nice. So look at this, you shoot it through and they pop out, all of them. Pretty cool if you ask me. I really like it how they just pop out and you can come close to them and they'll gravitate towards you like this. So the next thing that I want to do is actually I want to make some UI up here. I'm thinking of having some UI where I can see how many plants or how many seeds or fruits or vegetables I've collected from each one of them. And the HP bars work as well, so you can see I'm just going to spawn an enemy if he can hit me. There we go, you can see it goes down. He does 2 damage right now, so he killed me pretty fast. Just go and restart the game. I don't know if I had the blood in. I've added blood into the game, so now there's blood and particle effects and all that sort of good stuff. Now we just need some sound effects and we need some more UI, and then I'll go make this shop so you can buy new weapons and buy new seeds hopefully, and more everything. Sell seeds, whatever. It's gonna be really awesome. So yeah, that's short devlog. Not much else to show. I can just show what I've planned for making of enemies real quick. If I can find it here, we need a just real quick. I'll just show you because I'm thinking of something adding here. So I'm thinking of adding this dude in here, which will be like a stomper or something. So this will be like a really slow tanky dude who will just like slowly go towards you and just destroy any plant on his way. Then he just stomps. So that's probably the next enemy that I'm going to implement, and then probably the stealer dude who's going to try and steal your plants. So yeah, that's it for this devlog. I don't really have anything more than that. It's working pretty good. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and all that good stuff, and follow me for whenever the next one comes out. Goodbye.